wash day, that is the only time I would comb my hair. Like, my hair has not seen a comb for weeks. All right, hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have reached a really amazing milestone. This marks 4 years since my last relaxer. Yay! So it's been 4 years since I started my natural hair journey. I'm so glad that I could share this with you guys. So to pay a little homage to this whole journey, all the ups and downs, let's take a little trip back in time. Alright guys, so as you can see, we started from the bottom, now we're here. Okay. Yeah guys, it's, oh man, this journey has been something else, but you know, this was not my first time going natural. I did go natural for the very first time in 2002. At that time, I did it for 2 years, and then I went back to perm. I don't know why. And then, well, I know why, because I came back from school and I was seeing all these people walking around with this perm hair, and you know, I started missing it, and then I went back to perm, and I totally regretted it the minute I did it. And then I went natural again a few years later for about a year, and went back to perm. But in 2014, I just made a firm decision to go natural. I did not want to be dealing with the perm hair anymore. I wanted it natural, and I'm so glad. So we're gonna get into a length check. Okay. And so we have 4 years. This is the longest time that I have actually stuck with it, and like, at this point there's no way I'm going back to a relaxer. Like, that's not even possible. So some of you have been asking about like a hair update, like what am I doing with my hair routine. I keep it so simple. It's so simple. I don't use a lot of products on my hair. I mainly just wash and condition it, and then keep it moisturized with our Mom and Pop's Kinky Curly Cream. And when I'm not using that, I just use like raw shea butter and coconut oil. Yeah, just keep it really simple. One of the things that sort of changed my journey is not doing so much with my hair, like combing it. I never comb my hair like with a physical comb. The only time I really use a comb is on wash day. That is the only time I would comb my hair. Like, my hair has not seen a comb for weeks. Well, since my last wash, which was like maybe 2 weeks ago. I just use my hands to manipulate my hair, to detangle it, to twist it if I want to do like a, you know, a style or whatever. Obviously I have a part here, but I did that part with a rat tail comb when I washed my hair, so that's just been there since then. But yeah, I would say like not combing my hair really at all in between washes. Yeah, that has made a really big difference. So not like breaking off hair and losing hair unnecessarily, because that's craziness. All right, guys. So let's get into the length check. Okay. Now I did measure my hair with a tape measure a few weeks back, and I know that in some areas I had like about 18.5 inches. Some areas like at the very back, because I did cut my hair at 2 years. I did cut it into a blunt bob, so I would have a nice style to grow it out in. So I did lose a few inches in the back. So the back was like about 14.5 inches. The middle and top sections were like about 17 to 17.5 inches. And like this area here that tends to grow out the fastest was like 18 to 18.5 inches. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some pieces and we'll go from there. Okay, so if I can get back a little further. Whoa. Okay, is that focused? Okay. All right, so that's the front. Whoa. Okay, that's the front. Can you see that? Okay. Take a piece from the side. Okay. Can I get this in the frame now? Let me see if I can go back so you can see properly. Oh Lord. Okay, so this is where it's at, like right here, just in the bosom area. Okay, and this is this area is like the longest, about 18 to 18.5 inches. Okay. Let's do the next side. It's getting hot really quick. Wow. Just gonna smooth it out a little bit. Okay. So you can see where that is. This is hard, guys. Okay, now let me do a piece from the back, and I'll stand up so you can see. Am I starting to sweat? Oh my goodness. Okay. So if you have any specific questions about my natural hair journey, specific products that I'm using, or if you want to see a full detailed breakdown of my hair routine, please leave that in the description, in the comment section down below, and let me know if you would like to see that. Alright guys, thank you so much for celebrating this milestone with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.